You brag about being busy. No time to rest or think. And somehow that feels like proof. Proof that you're needed. Seneca watched Rome do this too. Men racing from duty to duty. Boasting, they had no free time. They called it ambition instead. He said something you don't expect. Life isn't short, Seneca said. We just waste most of it. Busy isn't the same as alive. You can fill every hour and still feel empty by nightfall. The calendar is packed solid. The self is nowhere in it. Notifications multiply by the hour. Meetings stack on top of meetings. And still, you can't say what you actually lived for. Seneca had a word, preoccupied. Occupied before you even choose. The cure was never more hours. It meant guarding your hours. Ask what deserves your attention, and let the rest go. Full calendars aren't full lives. Tonight, ask what you'll actually remember.